In today's episode, oh my god, I've gone the wrong way. Oh, it's freezing. I really should be wearing gloves at the moment, but we'll just make sure we don't crash. It is really windy. Can't remember what that cheat code was. Cool. Barrel track. Barrel track. Pretty sure this track goes up to Robertson something, I don't know. So I'm trying out this new audio setup. I don't know how it's going to sound. I'm still figuring things out. Alright, let's get lost. I feel like every time I get on the bike, I'm learning from scratch again. Like I just get a little bit nervous, a little bit shaky. It takes probably about half an hour to really warm up. So I don't really know what this audio is going to sound like. Worst case scenario, I just flip back to the camera audio because I'm recording essentially two separate channels. It's a lot bumpier than I remember. Should I stand up? Alright, we'll stand up. Oh, I should have gone down a gear. It's alright. Alright, so it gets a little bit tough up here. It looks worse than what I remember. I think I used to be nervous by that part. I was waiting for it to get tricky, and it just didn't. It's a bit bumpy. So that's the cool part, right in there. Let's bring the bike down there. We all know what happened last time, but I think I've learned from my mistakes. Yeah, perfect riding weather. Gale force winds. That hill up ahead basically turns into a vertical drop. Look at that. Standing back here, that looks creepy. This has got to be worse than last time. Maybe just send it. I think that's one of the issues I've got going downhill. I just get a little bit too nervous, so I brake too much. And then just, it puts me in more danger. Whereas if you just let go, what's the worst that could happen? Can't remember where I went last time. I think it was up here. Oh yeah, this is that tough part. I wonder if I can do it this time. That's gonna twist my mirror around. Easy. So I can't remember how far I got up last time, but I have a feeling I already got past it. I think that was it. Oh, it might have been this spot. Let's try to go in the ruts. Getting cramps. Let's go for a walk. Nope. Let's move the bike into a better spot. Is that too far down? No, we're good. Now I know it doesn't look that bad on camera. It's usually how it goes. But it is steep. I hope it loops back around. I have a feeling it's going to get pretty tricky in a second. The reason I say that is because I have eyeballs and I'm looking at what's in front of me. I think I know where I am. I think this is where I bashed my shin last time I came around the other side. No mud. I was hoping there would be. It's still pretty early, so I'm thinking I might actually head back up the other way and just continue on that track that I haven't gone on before. It's such weird weather. So last night it was only about 20 degrees, but we had thunderstorms. They just came out of nowhere. So on that note, let's go further into the bush. So up here, I don't think I've gone further than this on this track. So let's keep going. I still don't really know where I am. I don't know if I'm getting further into the bush or if I'm just sort of looping around back to a main road or something. Worst case scenario, we just turn around. Oh my god, I've gone the wrong way. I reckon we just turn around and keep going until we find something familiar again. It's a miracle! We're back! So that was honestly just a massive waste of fuel. Didn't really come across any interesting tracks or anything. It's just getting a little bit too late. It's almost 7 o'clock and it's freezing cold. It is icy at the moment. And when I say icy, I mean it's summer at the moment. So anything under 20 degrees feels cold. I'm tempted to put on another jumper. Oh, it's freezing. Oh, it is cold. I might fast forward this. It's about 7 o'clock on a Sunday. Got work at 6 o'clock in the morning. Might just head back to the car. Right, back to road riding. Honestly, it's this sort of stuff that makes me want to get the bike road registered. I know it's dangerous, road riding, but I mean, this is awesome. Just leaning into the corners. I really should be wearing gloves at the moment. But we'll just make sure we don't crash. What's it doing? It loves going to neutral when I don't need it to be in neutral.